down there. Get down, get down. Now, you annoying. Hey, he's not arguing this time. Get down, get down, get down. I can see why he's annoying. 8-year-olds, come here. Yes, they're all being quiet, thankfully. No 8-year-old. No. Okay, at least they're all being quiet. Get down, get down. And you, kid.
Hi.
Kid.
Hi.
Oh, this one ain't quiet. Now get down, get down. So guys, if I mix these in, hey, all of you, get down there. If I mix these in, then there should be a mini games, kid. Yeah, there should be a mini games. Come on out.